Hello, my name is Jim Archibald and I'm based in the AMS office in Plano, Texas, but I get to travel all over North America visiting our customers. My job is manager of field applications engineers, so I'm really lucky. I get to work with 7 really smart field apps engineers, and we visit our customers, we teach them about AMS products, we help them design in the products, we answer their questions. So it's a really fun job and we get to hang out with our customers. The coolest thing about working with the field application engineering team is actually visiting the customers, because they're working on very innovative products and they come up with technical challenges, and we get to help solve their problems and help them succeed in their design. The most surprising thing is that the field apps engineers, they have to work with all the products. So we work with all the divisions of AMS, we work with every business line, and each field application engineer really should know all the products. That means the position sensors, the flow sensors, optical sensors, time of flight, everything that AMS makes, the field application engineer has to know that product. My background is as an electrical engineer. I started out as a printed circuit board designer and as a developer of signal processing firmware, and I've held many different engineering positions since then. The great thing about being an FAE is it's always technically challenging, so you really need to have good engineering skills to be a field apps engineer. For a field application engineer, there's really 2 skills. The first one would be, it's a people person job. In other words, you're working with customers, you're listening to them, you're trying to understand their challenges, and you have to explain to them how our products work and help them with the design. So it's a people job, but also it's a technical job. So you really have to have solid engineering skills. Both skills are needed for the field apps engineering position. AMS is my employer of choice for a lot of reasons. First of all, as a technology guy, I'm very excited about the kind of products that we make. They're innovative and they're new and they're exciting and cutting edge, so I like the technology. Plus, I get to work with all kinds of talented people all over the world. And finally, I like being a field apps engineer because it's challenging and it's fun to solve challenges. Well, I like the word life because that's in the AMS tagline, sensing is life. And what I like about AMS and like about that word life is the products that AMS makes actually improve life. You could actually say sensing improves life in addition to sensing is life. And if you think about it, if AMS makes a light sensor that goes in your smartphone that makes your phone work better in dark conditions and light conditions and improves the picture taking, you've actually improved someone's life. So it's fun to belong to a company that actually improves life. The same with a medical sensor. If we make a lower power, more sensitive imaging sensor, you've actually improved people's health. So it's exciting to work for AMS because sensing improves life and sensing is life, and I think those 2 go together, and that's what I like about AMS. Well, AMS is, number 1, innovative. We make really cool products, exciting products, cutting edge products. So innovative, I think, would be number 1. Number 2, AMS is very fast paced. The company is growing, we're always coming out with new products, we have all these different business lines and we have to work together. So the pace is fast and that makes it fun. And the third thing I would describe AMS as is it's actually humanitarian. If you think about it, the sensors that improve the products that we sell to, those products improve life. So AMS in a way is a very humanitarian company because it's compassionate and we make products that improve the quality of life of people. So I'd say AMS is humanitarian in addition to being fast-paced and innovative.